One panel costs the equivalent of 112 euros. Noor Diesel needs 8 to power his water pump. He's already made a down payment of 300 euros and will be covering the rest in monthly installments. For farmers like him, solar energy is uncharted territory.
The farmers didn't think that solar power could be used for irrigation. A generator can only irrigate 1 hectare. We show the farmers how solar power can irrigate 2 to 3 hectares or more. We demonstrate how it works and how they can irrigate their field with it, so that they can stop using the generator.
The families also get some maintenance tips on changing the batteries and removing dust and dirt at regular intervals. Solar power has vast potential in Somalia, but there's a lack of investment in renewable energy sources. Years of civil war and conflict have severely restricted development, but some energy experts are optimistic.
There's a lot of opportunities for both local and international investors in the renewable energy sector. Somalia recently passed a foreign investment law, which makes it easier for international investors to come into the country. But as soon as the security improves, investment will come.
For people living in the Shabelle region, their investment has paid off. Noor Diesel and his wife Halima Abdullah Gabo are already seeing a return.
Previously, when we paid for the diesel and workers' wages, we couldn't break even, and sometimes we made a loss. But now we're making profits and expect to increase our production because of this project.
They dismantle and put away the system every evening due to the threat of thieves. In next to no time, it's become their most treasured possession. Their future depends on it.